You know your manager, right? Doesn't write code, doesn't debug errors, but somehow takes credit after every successful delivery.
My God!
That's exactly what an orchestration job is in Matillion. It doesn't transform or move data. It just tells others what to do, in what order, and writes zero line of SQL, but somehow gets tagged in the delivery success mail. Hello, viewers. Welcome back to Datacharya. If you have just landed in a project, I mean a Matillion project, don't know where to start, don't worry. This series has your back, and we are simplifying everything so that you can learn and get hands on without any headache. So, what is an orchestration job? Think of an orchestration job as a manager of your ETL process. So, they don't do the heavy lifting, but they call the shots, which means instead of transforming data directly, they run transformation jobs, load files from S3, databases, or any other cloud sources. They send alerts, wait for external triggers, or schedule pipelines. So basically, they direct traffic, keeping everything in sync, in order and on time. So let's build a simple orchestration job today that does three things. The first one is it starts the flow. The second step is runs a transformation job. Third step is it ends with a success step. So basically, it's like your boss assigning two tasks, then sending a great job team message in the group chat. To start with, here is your Matillion Enterprise interface. You have to right click on this default and select create a new orchestration job. So there a new orchestration job canvas will be opened up. In the same way, if we go to Matillion Hub, first we'll be clicking on this add component, then orchestration pipeline, and we'll provide the pipeline name. Let's say it is MTL underscore orchestration underscore 01. So this is our first orchestration job. Let's add it. All right, we are seeing a blank canvas here with a start button there by default. First, we'll be adding a transaction block for our orchestration job. So let's click on this plus. Then to start with the transaction block, let's bring in a begin component, begin. Then out of these two transformation jobs, let's first add the first transformation job which we had created in the previous session. And we will connect this transformation job to the begin component. Then we will be adding a commit component over here, which means if the transaction is successful, then it will commit it, or else it will roll back all the changes that we have done. To roll back the changes, we can add a rollback component over here. Just search for rollback in the component list, drag it here, and we will add a connector, which is the red connector, on failure connector. So once this transformation fails, it will roll back all the changes that it has done. And at last, we'll be adding some end success and end failure. After commit, there will be an end success. This end success component confirms that the transaction has been successful and our transformation has run perfectly. And after the rollback, we have to add an end failure. And we will connect it with this. All right, so now our orchestration job has been designed perfectly. Now it's time to run it. So here you can see the run button. Just click on run. We can see here the running status, the completion status is still running. The pipeline name is MTL org01, which is our orchestration pipeline name. Let's see. Okay, it has been completed now. This means our orchestration job has been completed successfully. Now you can add any number of n number of transformation jobs to this or any other components to run in this pipeline in sequence. So orchestration jobs are how you automate your full workflows. Let's say you have 5 jobs that run every morning: loading, cleaning, transforming, and reporting. So an orchestration job here ties them together, and it ensures the correct order, handles delays or failures, logs result, or even notifies you via email. So it's the conductor of all your data orchestra, we can say. If this video helped you understand orchestration jobs, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. If your real manager also avoids sequel, help support this channel and share it with your team, especially those just starting with Matillion. See you in the next episode. Thank you.